How to change emoji on BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change emoji on BeReal. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the BeReal app, let's first visit the App Store right here. Or if you've enjoyed, just open up your Play Store and search for BeReal, and once you're on the app page on your respective app store, let's check if our BeReal app is up to date. So to do that, let's focus on this button right here. If that says open, that means that your app is currently up to date. However, if that shows an update button, that means that your application is currently outdated. So just click on the update icon so that you will have the latest features within the app. Once you have made sure that your BeReal app is up to date, let's just go ahead and open it. And immediately you get to your My Friends page, or maybe whichever window or tab you were in. So from your My Friends page, you should be able to see the BeReals of your friends from this page, and you can also react to their posts from here. However, I'm just gonna react to photos from the Discovery page. So to go to the Discovery page, just click on this Discovery tab right here, right beside the My Friends tab. And from here, you can see many photos from all over the world, from the BeReal users. And I'm just gonna select a photo to react to. So, for example, I'm gonna react to this one. So once you select a photo or a BeReal post, you can actually see this emoji icon at the bottom right part of the post. So just click on that. And it will immediately present some of the emojis. So changing the emoji on BeReal means to actually represent the emoji as your own photo. So for example, I'm gonna select one emoji from here, like that, and it will open up the camera page. So as stated at the top part of the screen, just capture your own representation of the following emoji with a picture. So that is how you can basically change the emoji on BeReal, by taking your own representation of the following emoji you have chosen to react to that particular post. So just click on the shutter button right here and just click on continue so that it will be sent to that user. So that is how you can basically change emoji on BeReal. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.